Hey everyone, I'm going to highlight 3 reasons why Micron Technology is an excellent AI stock to buy. What's more, towards the end of the video, I'm going to give you one bonus reason why Micron Technology is an excellent AI stock to buy. And those 3 reasons are going to be the end markets that are purchasing Micron's products, customer inventories that Micron is selling into, and the progress or the position of data center expansion worldwide. So let's start with the end markets.
I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.
All right, so the first reason I'm going to highlight why Micron is an excellent AI stock to buy is because of what's happening in its end markets, or the markets where it's selling its products to. Management of Micron saying that we are in the early innings of a multi-year race to enable artificial general intelligence. AI will also permeate to the edge via AI personal computers, AI smartphones, as well as smart automobiles and intelligent industrial systems. So not only is AI going to be in the cloud or in the data center, but AI is coming to the edge. It's coming to products that we use every day. And that means those products need more memory, they need more storage, and that's all in Micron's wheelhouse. These trends will drive significant growth in the demand for DRAM and NAND. So this is, DRAM is memory, NAND is storage, and we believe that Micron will be one of the biggest beneficiaries in the semiconductor industry of this multi-year growth opportunity driven by AI. Remember, it's just the early innings. We've just now started ramping up the capabilities of artificial intelligence. It was only about 1.5 years ago that ChatGPT came on the scene and made large language models a must-have for many enterprises worldwide. And now they're investing in expanding those capabilities, and those capabilities are coming to an electronic device near you, and that's great news, and one reason why you'd want to own Micron stock. Okay, the next reason I'm going to highlight is customer inventories. So management saying that due to expectations for continued leading-edge node tightness, we are seeing increased interest from many customers across market segments to secure 2025 long-term agreements ahead of their typical schedule. So let me break this down. Customers that buy Micron's products are buying in anticipation of their needs. They're building up inventory because they're fearful they won't have supply when they need it a year from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now. Maybe not 3 years from now, but let's say a year from now, 2 years from now. They're buying up the inventory today so that they know they have it, so that when they go to build these personal computers, when they go to build these devices, that they have the products they need, the storage and the memory they need, and they're not supply constrained with their deliveries to their end customers. So because of those factors, that's leading to increased demand for Micron Technology products right now, and people are willing to pay higher prices. They're willing to order ahead of time. They're willing to pay in advance instead of saying, look, send us the product and we'll send you the money after we get the product. No, customers are saying, you know what, we want these products and we know supply is going to be kind of tight. So just to make sure that you prioritize me as a customer, I'm willing to pay you the premium price. But not only that, I'm also willing to give you the money up front instead of maybe waiting to pay you after you send me the inventory. Now, that's not happening with every single customer, but when you have a situation when supply is less than demand, your customers will offer those better terms to get priority treatment when things are selling out. And that's precisely what's happening right now, precisely where this industry is heading towards, given the increased demand for its products. They're building up inventory just to make sure that they have it because they're fearful they're not going to have enough. That was the second reason to own Micron stock. The third reason to own Micron stock is what's happening in the data center. Data center expansion is accelerating. Data centers from companies like Amazon, Meta Platforms, Microsoft, Oracle, etc. are increasing. They're building out their capacity. And inside the data center, it's not just NVIDIA GPUs. That's not 100% of a data center. It's a large component, but you still need memory, you need storage, and that's where Micron comes in. So in the data center, industry server unit shipments are expected to grow in the mid to high single digits in calendar year 2024, driven by strong growth in AI servers and a return to modest growth for traditional servers. They go on to say that customers continue to provide feedback for their HBM solution, which has 30% lower power consumption compared to competitors' solutions. And if you've been following the data center build out and the AI industry, you'll know that power consumption has been a critical strategic focus for these hyperscalers that are building out these data centers. It's expensive to operate these facilities. They consume large amount of power. And so these companies are looking to save on power consumption. And one area they do that is by innovation from products like the HBM from Micron. Another area that businesses are focusing on is liquid cooling solutions that cool down the servers, cool down the GPUs, cool down all the data center and allows it to operate at a lower cost. And so Micron being able to serve that market is going to receive great demand, and their HBM shipment ramp began in the third quarter. They generated over $100 million revenue from that product, but they expect several $100 million of revenue from HBM in 2024. So in the fourth quarter, they expect at least a couple of $100 million in revenue, and then multiple billions of dollars in revenue from HBM in fiscal year 2025. So this product is going to ramp really quickly, going from 100 million in a quarter to like 3 or 4 or 500 million in Q4. They weren't really precise as to how many 100 million, just several 100 million. And then from there to multiple billions of dollars in revenue from fiscal 2025. That means at least 2 billion. Could be a lot more than 2 billion in revenue from this product in 2025. Now the HBM is sold out for calendar year 2024 and 2025, with pricing already contracted for the overwhelming majority of our 2025 supply. Already sold out, right? Multiple billions of dollars. So that's the third reason why I think Micron is an excellent AI stock to own. And the fourth, the bonus reason, is the stock is not expensive. It's trading at a forward price to earnings of 13.99. It's trading at a forward PE of significantly less than what the average stock in the S&P 500 is trading for, which is in a range of between 18 and 21. So there you have it. 3 + 1 reasons to own Micron as an excellent AI stock for the long term. Did you know that over 90% of the people that watch my channel are not subscribed? It'll really help support my channel if you hit that subscribe button. And oh, by the way, one of the benefits of being subscribed is that I take requests from subscribers more often than I do from non-subscribers. So if you prefer that benefit, please subscribe to the channel.